Hi teachers, here's a tutorial for how to unlock all the stuff on Canva.com using your school account, get verified as a teacher, and link your students to you so that they get all the goodies Canva.com has to offer. Here we go, we're on Canva.com. We're going to go to Plans and Pricing, swipe over to Education. Teachers get verified. Continue with Google. Use your school email address. There we go. And they're going to want your password. There we go. And here it is. We have unlocked a lot of the stuff. See, Mr. V's class unlocked a lot of the stuff that Canva.com has to offer. We can come over here to classwork and see if students have shared stuff with you. We can learn more about what's changed. Can find different projects. Invite members. We want to invite with a share link. This is a critical piece for helping your students get here. So we want to invite with a share link. We're going to copy it. And then when you post this link in Classroom, you could access it right here if you want. You'll see your icon up here to confirm who you are. You can choose what class you want to share it in or multiple classes, or you may go to your own classroom your own way, post it in your stream, and when students click on that link, they will be invited to join Canva, and then they'll see their icon in the upper corner along with your icon. And that's how they can confirm they are linked to you and have unlocked all the goodies on Canva.com. Good luck and have fun.